In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your tasks in Asana for daily productivity. By the end, you'll have a clear, reliable system you can trust every day. First, open Asana. You can work from My Tasks, which is your personal inbox for everything assigned to you, or create a new personal project if you prefer a dedicated space just for your to-dos. Both options work well. My Tasks is great for simplicity. A personal project gives you a bit more structure. Pick the one that feels easiest to maintain, because consistency is what makes this system effective. Now start adding each thing you need to complete as a separate task. Think of a task as one actionable item you can complete in a sitting. If something is big, break it into smaller tasks so each one is clear and doable. This keeps your list from feeling overwhelming and makes progress easier to see. Write task names that tell you exactly what to do at a glance. Lead with a strong action verb and include the specific outcome. For example, instead of report, try draft weekly report. Keep names short but precise, so you never have to stop and think, wait, what does that mean? Clear names reduce friction and help you get started faster. When it helps, add due dates, notes, and priorities. A due date sets the pace and helps you plan your week. Use the task description to capture key details, links, or quick checklists so you don't hunt for context later. If you work with priorities, label tasks as high, medium, or low so you know what truly deserves your attention first. The goal is to make each task self-explanatory. Next, organize your tasks into sections like today, upcoming, and later. Today holds the few items you actually intend to complete now. Upcoming is for tasks you'll address soon, perhaps this week. Later is a safe home for everything that matters but isn't urgent. Moving tasks between these sections is normal. This is how you keep your plan realistic instead of reactive. Finally, check your list regularly and mark tasks complete when you finish them. A quick daily review helps you confirm what's in. Today, reshuffle anything that no longer fits and set fresh due dates when plans change. Completing tasks in Asana keeps your workspace tidy and gives you a visible sense of momentum. If something didn't get done, don't stress. Simply update the date and section so your plan remains honest and actionable. That's it. A simple, durable Asana workflow you can rely on every day.